Top 5 Most Influential Women. Born in the Swamp Valley, Pakistan, Malala Yousafzai was an advocate for education from a young age. She spoke out against the Taliban's ban on girls' education and, in 2012, was targeted by the Taliban in an assassination attempt. Despite being shot in the head, Malala survived and continued to speak out about the importance of education for girls. Her activism earned her the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize. She is the youngest Nobel Prize winner, 17, and the youngest nominee. Malala motivated millions to fight for girls' education and women's rights. Through her NGO, the Malala Fund, she has advocated for girls' education and raised funds. Her boldness and efforts have inspired girls to demand an education. Ruth Bader Ginsburg was born in Brooklyn, New York, in 1933. She attended Harvard Law School and later became a professor at Rutgers Law School. In 1980, she was appointed to the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. She served on the Supreme Court from 1993 until her death in 2020. During her time on the bench, she was known for her advocacy of gender equality and reproductive rights. Ruth Bader Ginsburg had a significant impact on the advancement of women's rights in the United States. She used her position on the Supreme Court to champion the cause, writing numerous opinions on gender equality and reproductive rights. Her advocacy inspired many women to fight for their rights and helped establish the foundation for the modern women's rights movement. Oprah Winfrey was born in rural Mississippi in 1954. She rose to prominence as a television host, first on local talk shows and later on the nationally syndicated Oprah Winfrey Show. She has since become a media mogul, with her own production company, Harpo Productions, and a network, OWN. Oprah is also a philanthropist and has been involved in numerous causes, including education and women's rights. Oprah Winfrey has had a profound impact on American society, using her platform and influence to raise awareness about important issues. Her philanthropic efforts have helped to provide education and support to people in need. She has been a role model for millions of people, inspiring them to make a difference in their communities and to fight for social justice. Aung San Suu Kyi was born in Myanmar in 1945. She became involved in pro-democracy activism in the 1980s and was placed under house arrest for much of the next 2 decades. Despite this, she continued to lead the National League for Democracy, NLD, and was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1991. She was released from house arrest in 2010 and became the first female state councilor and foreign minister of Myanmar in 2016. Aung San Suu Kyi has had a significant impact on the struggle for democracy and human rights in Myanmar. Her activism and leadership have inspired many people in the country and around the world to fight for these causes. Despite facing criticism for her handling of the Rohingya crisis, her legacy as a leader and advocate for democracy remains strong. Sheryl Sandberg was born in 1969 and has had a successful career in the tech industry. She was the first female executive at Facebook and is currently the company's chief operating officer. In addition to her work at Facebook, she is a vocal advocate for women in the workplace and has written a best-selling book, Lean In, Women, Work, and the Will to Lead. Sheryl Sandberg has had a significant impact on the advancement of women in the workplace. Her book Lean In has inspired many women to pursue their careers and to fight for equality in the workplace. Her advocacy has helped raise awareness about the challenges facing women in the workplace and has encouraged companies to take steps to address these challenges.